students, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neelam Math Study. So students, today we will discuss question number 6 of chapter 8 trigonometry. So question 6 is if angle A and angle B are acute angles, इसमें दे रखा है कि एंगल A and angle B both are acute angles or cos A is equal to cos B. तो show that angle A is equal to angle B. First of all, we will draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here A, B and C. In this right angle triangle, at B is 90-degree angle and at angle A and at angle B. At B and at A both are acute angle and given क्या है इसमें cos A is equal to cos B. So students, according to acute angle A, where we can write angle A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. According to angle A, this is the perpendicular and this is the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular and this is base. So cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to base means AC upon AB. AB is the hypotenuse and according to acute angle B, opposite side is perpendicular and this is base. So we can write it base BC upon hypotenuse. BC upon hypotenuse AV. This equation is first. Now cos A की वैल्यू AC upon AV and cos B is equal to BC upon AB. Put in the equation, given equation cos A is equal to cos B. So cos A is equal to cos B and value of cos A is AC upon AB. AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Now students, AB equal, so we can write it इसलिए AC इज इक्वल टू BC. AC is equal to BC. So, if AC and BC are equal sides, then the opposite angles of these equal sides are also equal. So, we can write angle A is equal to angle B because opposite angles of equal sides in triangle is also equal. Means angle A and angle B are equal because opposite angles of equal sides in triangle is also equal. Okay students, this question is complete. Now we will do question number 7. In question number 7 is given if cot theta is equal to question number 7. Question number 7. In question 7, if cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, evaluate क्या इवेल्युएट करना है मीन्स क्या निकालना है. फर्स्ट आपको निकालना है फर्स्ट निकालना है आपको. ये देखो 1 प्लस साइन थीटा मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस cos थीटा and 1 minus cos theta. So, for this, first of all, we should find the value of this. Cot theta is given 7 upon 8. First of all, we will draw a question. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं इसको यहाँ लिखा जा सकता है जैसे 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. So student, first we draw a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle A, B and C. Here is 90-degree angle, right angle and angle theta. So, you know cot theta is equal to 7/8। यहां से देखो स्टूडेंट्स, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद, हर हर बो, ये 4 sin थीटा and this is 4 cos and this is 4 tan, sin, cos and tan. Then cot, for cot this opposite of tan, so base upon perpendicular. Here tan theta is perpendicular upon base, so cot will be base upon perpendicular, so we can write it base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Now see that in right angle triangle, base is equal to 7 centimeter and perpendicular is equal to 8 centimeter. Now first of all, we should find out the value of hypotenuse AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. So AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. AC is equal to 8 whole square. Value of BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So 7 का whole square is equal to 64 plus 49. This will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Carry 1. 4 and 6, 10. 10 or 1, 11. And AC is equal to root 113. So the value of hypotenuse is equal to under root 113 centimeter. Okay students, now we will find the value of this 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. So students, write it for 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Now students, here will we use the identity. Which identity? A plus B and A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write it 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Now value of 1 minus sin theta. Now value of sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Or here this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So we can write 8 upon root का होल स्क्वायर and 1 minus. Now find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. So here BC is a base. The value of cos theta 7 upon hypotenuse under root 113 का whole square. Okay, students. Now here यहां से देखो 1 माइनस 64 अपॉन देखो स्टूडेंट अंडर रूट 113 मल्टीप्लाई बाय अंडर रूट 113 will be equal to 113 upon 1 minus 49 upon 113. Now 113 is the LCM, so 113 minus 64 upon 113 is the LCM of, so here we can write it 113 minus 49. 113 minus 49. Now 13 minus 4, 9. Here 0, 10 minus 6, 4. Upon 113. And this 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Here 10. 10 minus 6. 4. 64 upon 113. So 49 upon 113 multiply by 113 upon 64. So we can cancel it. And the value of 49 upon 64 is the value of given 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta की वैल्यू हमारी आ गई 49 upon 64. Now next student, next question. Next part of this question. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है इसका कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. सो स्टूडेंट्स cot theta is given equal to 7 upon 8. So we can easily find out the value of cot square theta. Cot square theta will be 7 upon 8 का whole square is equal to 49 upon 64. This is the second question of question number second का second part. Now we will do the question number 8. Now students, we will do the question number 8. Question number 8. If question number 8 में है if 3 cot A 3 cot A is equal to 3 cot A is equal to 4. आगे क्या करना है, चेक करना है कि वेदर 1 माइनस 10 स्क्वायर A अपॉन 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर A 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. cos square A minus sin square A. ये इसमें चेक करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ ए राइट एंगल triangle in which A, B, C. Here at B, it is a right angle. Now, cot A. So, this is the acute angle. And opposite side of this acute angle will be perpendicular, hypotenuse, and this side is equal to base. This side is equal to base. So now let's start to solve. Here 3 cot A is equal to 4. So cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. अब आपको पता है कि cot पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोल. Here this is 4 sin, this is 4 cos, this is 4 tan. Now we find cot A. So cot A will be base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. So here base, sorry. Base upon perpendicular. So base AB is base. Base is equal to 4 and perpendicular is equal to 3. Here base is equal to 4 and perpendicular is equal to 3. Now first of all we should find out the value of tan A. So value of tan A according to angle, acute angle A, tan A will be perpendicular upon base. देखो students, this is for sin, cos and tan. Tan will be perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is equal to 3 and base is equal to 4. Perpendicular is equal to 3 and base is 4. Now we can find out the value of this part. Now 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus tan is equal to 3 upon 4. So 3/4 का होल स्क्वायर एंड 1 प्लस 10 स्क्वायर 1 प्लस 10 है 3/4 सो 3/4 का होल स्क्वायर here 1 minus 9/16 1 plus 9/16 now LCM 16 so 16 बन जा 16 minus 9 upon again 1 plus 9/16 so LCM is 16 and 16 बन जा 16 plus 9 is equal to 7/16 and this is 25/16 16 से 16 कैंसिल हो गया 7/25 so the value of 1 minus 10 square a 1 plus 10 square a की वैल्यू हुई 7/25 now we will find the value of cos a minus sin a cos square a minus sin square a for value cos square a minus sin square a first of all we should find out the value of AC which is the hypotenuse so AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC का whole square AB is equal to 4 whole square plus BC is equal to 3 so value of BC is equal to 3 and this is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 and AC is equal to root 25 so we can write it 5 into 5 is equal to 5 so hypotenuse is equal to 5 centimeter now first we write the value of 7/25 value of इसकी वैल्यू कितनी 7/25 first of all cos a will be base upon hypotenuse so base is equal to base upon hypotenuse base is 4 and hypotenuse is equal to 5 4/5 and sin A will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse now perpendicular is equal to 3 upon hypotenuse is equal to 5 so now put the value of cos A and sin A in this and find out the so cos square A minus sin square A is equal to cos A की वैल्यू क्या है 4/3 so we put the value of cos A and it will be 4/3 का whole square minus sin A का 3/5 का whole square 4 जा 16/25 minus 9/25. Here LCM will be 25. LCM will be 25 and 16 minus 9 is equal to 7/25. So देखो students, value of cos square A minus sin square A is equal to 7/25. So we can say that 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay students, आपको I hope you will understand these questions. If you have any query, you can go in comment box and you can ask me. If you like my video, then please like करें, share करें and subscribe करें. Okay students, thank you.